What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make plantain chips, popularly known as Kpekere. You can make your plantain chips with ripe plantains or green plantains which are not ripe. The choice is yours, but the method is the same. So in this video, I'm gonna be making plantain chips with green plantains because they are my favorites. Like I always say in all my plantain videos, it is very important to wash your plantains before peeling them. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done washing them, I'm gonna pat them dry. To peel the plantain, cut the ends off, then cut a slit through the peel, then peel it off. Before slicing the plantains, I'm gonna heat up some vegetable oil so that it will be hot and ready for use. I'm gonna be using a slicer to slice some of them lengthwise. You can also do this with a knife or a mandolin. When you are slicing your plantains, you have to be very careful. Make sure your fingers are out of the way. Look at how thinly they are sliced. At this point, the oil is hot enough, so let us start frying our sliced plantains. You can fry your plantains on medium or medium-high heat. You can also be adjusting it when you need to. You can turn it down or turn it up when you need to. I like to drop them into the oil one at a time so that each will be straight instead of crooked. It depends on you, whichever way you want it. You can dump them in at once, but I don't like it when they are clumped together, so I prefer straight and single chips. After frying them on one side for a while, you can flip them to the other side and fry them until they become crispy. You can tell when they are crispy by the color and the sound. When they are done, I'm gonna remove them from the oil, then place them on paper towel to absorb the excess oil. While they are still hot, I'm gonna spread them out, then sprinkle a little bit of sea salt over them. You can use any salt of choice. After sprinkling the salt over them, I like to give them a little bit of shake so that there will be an even coating. So let us see if it is tasty and crispy. That is how you make a very tasty and crispy plantain chips. So I'm gonna repeat the same process until I'm done frying them. So that is done. Let me show you another way to slice your plantains. This is a very easy way to slice your plantains. You can use any slicer that you have, or if you don't have a slicer, you can use a knife. There is one common tool most people have at home, that is the box grater, and it is a perfect tool for slicing. You can use any side of the slicer. If you want fancy chips, you can use the side that makes crinkles. One good thing about using this box grater is that it has 3 slicers, so that means it slices faster and it slices very thinly. If you want your chips to be very crispy, the thinner, the crispier. I'm gonna fry them just the way I fried the previous ones. Let me use this time to send out a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. As usual, when I'm done, I'm gonna lightly sprinkle sea salt over them, then toss and shake them so that they are evenly coated. This way, no chip is gonna be too salty because they are each gonna have the same amount of salt. As you can see, these ones are also tasty and crispy. This is what the lengthwise chips should look like, straight. I know they are not perfectly straight, but this is the best you can get. These are the bits and pieces that broke off while I was slicing them. They are still useful. You can cook them or freeze them and add them to any recipe that needs plantains. So now that you know how to make this street style green plantain chips, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it. This is also a good business idea. You can go buy your green plantains, fry them, package them, and voila, you are in business. If you have any question, meet me in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.